Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial differentiation and implicit differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. First, we want to find dy over dx. So that means we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. F and A over B equals to F and A minus F and B. So for this one, we can transform into this one. Now, this one, we see that we have 1 over the square root of sy. This one we can write into 1 over the square root of x multiplied by 1 over the square root of y. Now, for this one, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to abc. So if we do first the derivative, that should be like this. So we can apply the formula for this one. First, the derivative of y, we have number 1 with first the derivative of y. That's why we can simplify like this. Now, we do first the derivative of this one. Multiply by this one. And then we do first the derivative of this one. We multiply by this one and this one. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. We multiply by this one. So this one we can put into x to the power of 1 over 2. Similar for the second one in here. Next, we put this one go to numerator. So we need to put the negative sign on the power. Next, we have the next one. Y equals to x to the power of n. So if we do first the derivative, we have nx to the power of n minus 1. This is about the power rule of the derivative. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have negative 1 over 2x to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 1. This one we calculate, and that is about negative 3 over 2. This one, because we have y, so if we do first the derivative, that should be like this. Now, about this one, we have the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative, we do first the derivative of a over 8. So this one we have first derivative of y over y. This one we have 1 over s because first derivative of s we have number 1. Next, on the question they want to find dy over dx, and this is about first derivative of y. Now we need to find first derivative of y in here, and we put this one go to the left. And now if we arrange, they should be like this. And now we have this one and this one. So we have first derivative of y. We can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.